beginning in C++ after Java. November 29, 2022. Yesterday, after searching on the internet, I found out that there is something called EasyX Graphics Library for the purpose of implementing graphical user interface (GUI) in C++ in Microsoft Visual Code. After installing this library, I tried to include it in my code for a basic console application project. Although I am a complete beginner in C++, I think that it is quite simple to use the functions of EasyX. I am not sure whether graphics.h, but rumor has it that C++ does not have any built-in library for GUI. I tried to search for tutorials in C++ GUI and EasyX on YouTube, but there is no comprehensive tutorial like those created by the American YouTuber BroCode. After including the header file of either EasyX or graphics, it is possible to visualize GUI components in C++ in Microsoft Visual Code. I learned the fundamental usage of EasyX and graphics.h by watching a Chinese C++ GUI tutorial. I realized that using EasyX or graphics.h for GUI in C++ is drastically different from using standard built-in libraries in Java. In Java, it is necessary to instantiate an object called JFrame and using the setVisibleTrue method to visualize a basic GUI component. Using EasyX or graphics.h in C++, it is possible to visualize a basic GUI component with the function of initGraph int width, int height, whereas circles can be drawn with the function of circle int x, int y, int radius, while something corresponding to JLabel containing texts can be drawn with the function of outTextXy int x, int y, string. However, it is important to note that, as the developer of EasyX explains in its website, a common problem with EasyX is character encoding issues when using the outTextXy function. To solve this problem, typing the following two lines in the beginning of a C++ program is recommended: undef UNICODE, undef_UNICODE. In Java, drawing circles is definitely a more complicated process, and I am not particularly good at it. But it is fair to say that displaying text with JLabels is not so complicated. On a side note, I decide to use the Eclipse IDE for programming in Java and Microsoft Visual Code IDE for programming in C++. The following is a basic C++ program that I created, including graphics.h. Comparing to the name of EasyX, graphics seems to sound like a more standard library. On the other hand, EasyX seems to be developed a Chinese programmer. #undef UNICODE #undef_UNICODE #include IAStream #include graphics.h using namespace std. Int main, initGraph 500, 500, circle 500, 500, 200, rectangle 200, 150, 300, 400, setText color yellow outTextXy 50, 50, high. Set text color white outTextXy 100, 100. My name is Alan Zhu. While 1, return 0. Keywords: EasyX #include graphics.h, initGraph int width, int height, circle int x, int y, int radius, outTextXy int x, int y, string. While 1.